Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. All right, welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we are going to be doing my paycheck budget and my budget planner, or if you want to call it budget by paycheck, BBP, whatever you want to call it, y'all. That's what we're going to be doing today. And then this is going to be for the second paycheck of September 2022, y'all. I wanted to say October 2022, but it is not October yet, so wind it on back, but this year is going by pretty fast. So that is what we're going to be doing. And then also we are going to be doing my 52-week savings challenge, and I will tell you guys a little bit more about what's going on with this and later on in the video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. So if you have not already done your budget by paycheck, if it is, you know what I'm saying, you get paid and you need to do it, or you just forgot to do it and you need to do it, let's go ahead. Let's get started. I'm going to move some of this over here, and we are going to hop into my September budget by paycheck. So these sheets here, guys, are PDFs that I created. So this is basically what my budget book is made of. I get a lot of questions about that. You can find these on my website or on my Etsy shop, but these are also the same PDFs that I use on my iPad when you see me do cash stuffing. So once you download them, you can download them to print. You can resize these, or you can upload them to your iPad. I do use Note Writer because it is free. And there also is GoodNotes that you can use too, but I think GoodNotes like 5 is like, it charge, I'm not sure the exact price of it, but it does charge you. But Note Writer has been good to me, and I can use them multiple times, and it just has ads on the bottom, but which doesn't bother me. So that's what I actually use to do my sheets on my iPad. All right, so without further ado, guys, I'm going to go ahead and zoom in so we can go ahead and get this budget started. So as y'all can see, I have my blinged out pen from Black and Blue. Y'all, I love this pen. Love it. It is so cute. She did a phenomenal job. So as you can see, I'll let you guys zoom in. Right? All right, that's enough. Okay, all right, so the payday is the 16th. The weeks is the 16th through the 29th. I stop on the day before that payday. Why do I do that? Because all of these bills are to be taken care of by this paycheck. Next paycheck will take care of the next set of bills. And I get all of my bills that are due from this wonderful sheet here that I always set up at the beginning of the month in my budget planner. And I just pull the numbers from here. So that's how I know what I need to pay. Okay, so we have income as this is what I budgeted. This is what I thought I was going to get. Actual is going to be what I actually received. So $1,800 is the income. This is just a compiled mix all together of what it is. And that way I'm not stressing myself of saying like, okay, so this is what I got here. This is what I got here. We're going to put it all together. All right, so rollover is going to be what I have from last paycheck budget. And I had $272.10 left in the buffer, but we did go over $40 for groceries, so that left it at $232.10. So that's how much we have for rollover. And for PM, what in the world? PMS, oh my gosh, y'all. Okay, PMS is actually, y'all, pay myself. What in the world? Y'all, I'm tripping. Okay, let me stop abbreviating. Pay myself. Okay, all right. Here we go. All right, pay myself. I did do $495. This is from my side hustle money, if you don't know what that means, and that's $495. So budgeted, I had $2,527.10. So actual was $2,062. All right, so I can't even read my own handwriting. So $2,629.60. That's what that says. Ooh, y'all. All right, so basically what I do is use this kind of like a check ledger, so that way I have like a real-time knowledge of what I have in the account and what's left. And on this side is just like what I can play with, what I can do for extra. These are non-negotiables. These are things that have to be paid. All right, so for mortgage, so we're going to do $2,629.60 minus mortgage, which is $498. 44. That'll give us $2,131.16 minus $165 for daycare. That's $1,966.16. And I can't write on these discs, but I'm gonna try. $234 for electric, and y'all heard that it's supposed to be going up $20 more for electric. I don't know if y'all heard that, but that's what I heard. And it don't need to go up no more. No more. $1,597.16. I need to figure out a little bit something better for this for internet, but the internet works really good, so I can't complain. But it's always okay to kind of look to see if you can price match and see if you can find something cheaper. All right, $341. Next, Ellie. So $1,256.16 minus the Discover, which I am still doing my box challenge, and I'm going to be able to send some money to that in a few. So minus $165 for daycare. So we got $982.16. Verizon, I still don't have anything for that because the bill hasn't actually generated, because when we got the phone it was the end of the month. So not sure about that, so we're going to keep it at $982.16. I hate to even see that empty spot because I know it's going to be a bill, but hey, I don't know the accurate amount, so what can you do? Minus the water bill, which is $101, which I was like, how it jumped from last month. It was, what was it last month? Let me see. So this is August. So last month the water bill was, see y'all, this is why I keep this. This is why I do this. So I can look back and be like, yo, what happened? See, look, this is crazy. Last month was $72, and I know we ain't used that much water this month. I don't know. So that is 101, and it ain't no leak. We already checked, so I have no idea. It's like it jumps up, then it goes down, jumps up. Okay, and this one right here, daycare registration, took me for a loop. So this is another reason why I'm kind of like rethinking my sinking funds. Aided registration fee for daycare. So we have to pay on this little app, and so when I got it, it was like $240 for the daycare for the 16th. I was like, what? I was like, I'm not late, I paid it. But then I saw that it was $75. This was $50 for the registration fee. Now it's $75 now. So isn't that crazy? Okay, so we got $806.16. So let's go ahead and add up our expensive. This column and this column are going to be the same because nothing over or short. So we got $498.44, $165, $234, $135, $341, $109, $165, $101, and we got $75. So we have a total of $1,823.44. Okay. All right, so we are done with this page, and this right here shows us after we paid all of our bills, this is what we have left in our checking account. So this way you can pretty much look and say like, hey, this is how I know what I have left to do, like sinking funds, savings, debt snowball, or my cash envelope. So this is a good way to figure out what you have left to play with. So the $342, you saw I did cash envelope stuffing, and that was I always do it on this sheet because I have a little bit more space. But if you don't have that many sinking funds, cash envelopes that you use in your everyday spending wallet, you can just use this because this is exactly what I started out with. All right, so we got $342. So vacation, tires, emergency fund, this goes all into Allie's savings account. Like I said, Allie's allow you to have buckets, and what that is the buckets is like you have the lump sum of money all in one savings account, but they let you do it like virtually, where you can have like vacation, tires, emergency funds, and then when you get paid and it goes directly into that savings account, you disperse the funds. You say, I'm sending $30 to vacation bucket. So it adds it to that, and then your amount increases, and then it'll show the balance of what this is, a total of $1,103. Same thing for tires, $3,750. Oh, this is not tires. Hold on. I got this backwards, y'all. This is, let me make sure. So this is emergency fund, and this is tires. Okay, so emergency funds, had to flip flop that. All right, so emergency fund $3,750, and And these numbers are going to be different because, let's do this. It'll be the same total here, but it'll be just flipped. I want to make sure that I keep this accurate as possible. So this will be 3,800, and then this will be, y'all add this up in y'all's head for me. Oh, 92? Is that what we got? Okay, so these should add up together the same 3. Let me see. What'd I do? Hold on. Okay, so let me see. 3,800. Okay, so did I not add that correctly? Y'all, this has been a day. Okay, all right, let me make sure this one is correct. Why I got the calculator adding up numbers. Okay, so this is correct. I don't know what I did here, but we fixed it. All right, so we got $5,995 for the sinking funds for the totals, and then this is how much we added, and then this is the balance before. All right, so then Roth IRA, I am adding to that. I am super happy. So I just keep that as a direct deposit, not direct deposit, but a direct transfer, you want to call it, of $100. And then, all right, so I'm just going to go ahead and do 100 here. All right, so then we have Discover. That's $91. That's what I put in my box. So we're going to do $91 there. All right, so now what we need to do is we need to go ahead and work these figures out to make sure they add up. So we got 806.17 minus 342. We got 464.16 minus 111. We got 353.16 minus 100. Couldn't hit that one button. 253.16 minus $91. All right, so we got 162.16, and as you can see, we always check our math. So we have $2,629.60. So we're going to add up all of our expenses, which is this, and mine's is the same, so I don't have to worry about it. But if you have 2 different columns of where you may have paid extra, make sure you use the actual paid column, because always remember the budgeted is what you think that you're going to have or what you think that you're going to pay. All right, so we got $1,823.44 plus $342 for our cash envelopes, plus $111 for our sinking funds, plus $100 for our savings, and plus $91. All right, so that is a total of $2,467.44. Let's subtract these 2 amounts. I have this habit, y'all, of like clicking. I do this on my computer at work, and everybody always be laughing at me because they were like, if you keep clicking that mouse, it's not going to go any faster. So I have a habit of doing that. I don't know. See, I just did it. I don't know why I do that. I mean, I don't know. Y'all don't be laughing at me because I don't know what I do, why I be doing that. So 162.16. I'm sure in my other videos, y'all probably saw me like click it like 30 times and probably like, what is she doing? Okay, so left in buffer, we have 162.16. And what that means, left in buffer, is the amount that's left in the checking account. So if anything comes in, we are a little bit covered. As long as it's not over 162.16, we are good, and that amount matches that one. All right, so easy peasy. This is just the paycheck budget here. Super easy. All right, so now let's go ahead and let's add to our 52-week savings challenge. So as you guys know, I do keep my 52-week savings challenge in here. And let's go to it. And y'all, that little tab that I had was fighting for dear life, so I just went ahead and ripped it on off. So, all right, so what we're looking at now is we are going to be on week 30. So we're going to add $31. And this right here is a Hobonichi cousin, and I did get one for next year, so that one's already came. So I do have a video going through it showing you guys what it looks like before you even write in it. So I will do a little walkthrough through it for you. All right, so that's like glaring on there. So I guess I need to check that one off, right? So we're gonna go ahead, check off 31. All right. And for the information, guys, me and my little niece helped me. We knocked out a bunch of these 52-week savings challenge. So make sure that you are signed up for my emails, or you follow me on my Instagram or my TikTok, because I do send out emails, and sometimes I send out coupon codes there. But these are going to be rolling out. When I say soon, I'm talking about super soon. Is that even a word? Super soon. All right, so yeah, so I do have these, and they are pretty much, we actually just went ahead and prepared all of them, so they are ready to go. We are going to go to our extra cash here, and we should have 20, 30, 31. And this is here is just extra cash that I had. So this is where I got this money from. Like I said, guys, utilize 𝗗𝗓𝗗𝗘. 𝗗𝗗𝗗𝗘 is a awesome place that you can sell things, and you can get cash for selling things. Yeah, and you can get like credits and all that stuff like that. And then also the Facebook Marketplace, utilize that. You know what I'm saying? You can get cash from selling things on there too. All right, so let's go ahead, and we are on, what week did I say we were on? Was it 31? Oh, we're depositing $30 in this thing, and we're on week 30. So we're gonna do the fold. I am so glad somebody recommended me to fold this money this way, because the other way I was folding it was out of control. All right, so we're gonna put that there. All right, so we are on next week 31. So next time when we do this, it'll be $32, and I can't wait to, I don't have too much to do, so I gotta put a little pep in my step. And y'all, I think this is all. We are pretty much done with this paycheck budget, and then adding to my 52-week savings challenge. Like I said, savings challenges don't have to be like stressful or anything. You add to these things whenever you can. Don't feel like you got to be like, I got to add today, I got to add tomorrow, I got to add the end of the week. You add whenever you have less cash, because you want it to be fun. You don't want it to be stressful. So that's what I do. And if I finish the challenge, I do. If I don't, I mean, I do have goals to try to finish it, but if I don't, I guess that's how they say it. So thank you guys so much for chilling with me. Please make sure to comment, like, subscribe, share. Let me know what you think. All right. And then also, if you have not followed me on my Instagram page, it's called 𝗖𝗢𝗗𝗧𝗡, and my TikTok. And then, like I always say, until next time, guys, peace.